Features Armos Fundamentals Delta Course Basketballista and our official referee for tonight, Referee Johnny and Referee Jomo. Okay. First 5 on UST, first 5 on NU. Ball game. It's Tejada versus Galang. First position of UST, it's Al. Now Albena. First basket, first attempt, too strong. Rebound on Galang. To Colachuche. Pass outside to Salas. Oh, short by Salas. Now Tejada looking for, oh, steal by Galang. It's Galang time, Galang. Pass outside, Salas. Second attempt. Bang! On Salas. It's 3-0. Now NU lead. Bulanan. Lights, foul. Foul on Anas. First on Anas. First team foul against NU. 14 seconds sa clock. Now Bulanan. Looking for Lights. Light favorite shot. Bang! Nothing but net by Lights. 3-all. It's our first deadlock of the game. NU against UST. Second attempt again by Kilatrisi. Top. Anas there. Blocked by Tejada. It's Al. Guarded by Kilatrisi. Al coast to coast. Al drive. Al too strong and by Al. Rebound on Salas. Now it's Galang time. Galang move. Galang. Foul. Foul on Albena. First on Albena. First team foul against UST. 2 free throw shot by Darren. It's 8 minutes and 22 seconds. 31 all. Now 4-3. It's 1 point lead now at NU. Now Bulanan for the play. Second shot. Second for Rise. Attempt. Too strong. Rebound by Al. Blocked by Galang. It's Galang to Salas. Looking for Colachuche. Now 6-3. Bulanan. Fake. Bulanan middle. Rebound by Anas. Anas to Galang. It's Galang time. Galang looking for Colachuche. Now 8-3. It's 5 point lead on NU. Now Lights. Back to Albena. Now 10 to shoot. Lights third attempt. Short. Rebound again by Galang time. It's Galang time. Coast to coast. Top pump. Hook short. Rebound. Again on Galang. Galang. Bang! On Galang. Now 10-3. 7-point lead on NU. Albena. Too strong. Rebound again. Darang time. It's Galang time. Galang time. Stop up. Pull-out jumper. Steal on Al. Kalatuche. Looking for Galang. Galang fake. 14 to shoot. Kalatuche. Guarded by Al. Kalatuche. Signature shot. Too strong. Top. It's Al. Wow. It's light on lights. Yes, on lights. 5-10. It's 5-point lead on NU. First game, first match, NU Bulldogs versus UST Tigers. Galang, guarded by Bulanan. Last pass down side, pick, drive. Nice defense on Tihada. Second block by Tihada. It's Albena, drive. It's nice defense on Kalatuche. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. 10 against 5. 5-point lead on NU. Tihada. Short to Tihada. It's Salas looking for Kalatuche. Kalatuche. Boom! Whoa! Kalatuche! It's 12 against 5. 7-point lead now NU. Bulanan. Boom. I can do it. Said 7 boom. Salas. It's Salas jumper. Bang! Let me try, said Salas. Now 14-7. Nice pass to lights. Tihada escape on Tihada. It's 9-14. 5-point lead on NU. Bang, bang, bang! On Salas. Now 17-9. It's 8-point lead on NU. Tihada. Left alone. Tihada pull out jump too strong. Rebound again. On Chumalde. To Kalatuche. Kalatuche looking for Kalatuche drive. Kalatuche. The signature shot short top. It's Anas. 14 the shot clock. In and out by Anas. Kalatuche again. Block by Tihada. Now Al. Looking for lights. Fake. Lights. Hesitate. Now Bulanan looking for Albena. Open jump. Bang! On Albena. It's 12 against 17. 5-point lead on NU. It's traveling violation on Salas. 4 minutes. First game, NU against UST. Now Bulanan. Looking for lights. Again, Albena, long three, too strong short. Now it's Galang time. Boom! Bang! It's Galang.
29 Tihada.
Out on Tihada. First on Tihada, second on UST. It's 3 minutes and 38 seconds. 19 against 12. Rebound on Tihada. Now Bulanan. Light. Bang! Oh, lights. Now his second 3-point shot now in lights. Kalatuche, favorite shot, signature shot, too strong, rebound. On Kalatuche again, 14% shot clock. Kalatuche, side step. Albena. It's Albena looking for Al, fake, Al, foul. Wow. Foul on Salas, first on Salas, second on NU. It's 3 minutes and 3 seconds. First quarter. First game. First match for our UAAP. Now 16-19. 3-point lead on NU. Now 17-19, it's 2-point lead on NU. Now Galantine. Looking for Calatuche. Pick, take. Calatuche, yes on Calatuche. 21 against the 17. 4-point lead now NU. Now Bulanan. Looking for lights, pick. Lights, side step, back to Bulanan. Bulanan, open jumper again, pick. Albena all alone, short. Rebound on Anas. It's Calatuche. Nice pass outside, pow! Foul number 10 on Bulanan. It's first on Bulanan. 13 foul on UST. Two minutes and 14 seconds. Now, Albena, 1-on-1 by Salas. Looking for Al, left alone. Yes on Al, now 19-21. It's 2-point lead NU. It's Galantan, Galamuk, tilt, take. Looking for Sumalde. Open jumper, Sumalde, in and out. Looking for Al. Al to Albena, Al back to Al back to Al, drive Al. Too strong, tap now to Anas. It's Anas looking for Salas. For three, short, 2 around, rebound again by Galang. Galang time, foul. Foul on number 29 on Tejada. Warning for penalty against UST. Second personal foul on Tejada. Oh, turnover on NU. 1 minute and 19. Now Bulanan. Tejada, kick out pass to Al, air ball. It's Calatuche, 1-on-1 by Bulanan. Calatuche, drag Calatuche! Basket count on 1 on Calatuche.
Foul on.
Now UST, over the limit. It's penalty now on UST. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Short. Oh, Galantine. 25 against 19. Bulanan escape. Third, Bulanan now. Looking for lights. Sumalde. It's Salas guard by Tejada. Now Galantine looking. Oh, turnover and NU. 45 seconds. Now Albena. Looking for Tejada. Al drive. Al, easy shot by Al. It's 21. 30 seconds. Salas. To Calatuche. 25 seconds. Salas. All alone by Lights. Yes, on Lights. 23-25. It's 2-point lead on NU. 10 seconds. 5. And of our first quarter, our score is 25 against 23. Salas. Saan yung shorts mo? Plus 5 tayo, sir. Plus 5 tayo, walang short sa doon, ha? Sir Ray, Bulanan. Plus 5 kayo, walang short, ha? Now our score, 28-25, 3-point lead on UST. Second quarter ready, second quarter. It's NU ball, NU. 28 to 25. It's 3-point lead on UST.
Hold pass, guys. Hold pass. Hold pass. Rebound pass.
Chad, magpainit ka, Chad!
Now, Kalajuche, guarded by T. Looking for Peralta. Samoy. Now in the ball game, it's Samoy. Kalajuche, signature shot, too strong. Rebound top by Samoy. Kalajuche again. Kalajuche, bang! 27-28, back to 1-point lead on UST. Now, Ocampo. Let me try for Dre Ocampo, in and out. Now, Albera. Albera time, in and out again. It's Tijada short. Rebound. Mendoza. Top. Albera short. It's Dartan. Galang. It's Galang. Stop pump. Galang. Short. Rebound on Galang. It's Galang now. Galang. Fake. Kalajuche. Same spot. 14 to shoot. Kalajuche. Same spot. Bang. Now 29 to 28 is 1-point lead on NU. Tijada. Too strong. Rebound again. Tijada. Top. It's Kalajuche. Kalajuche. 1-and-1. Kalajuche drive. Kalajuche escape. Kalajuche. Left hand drive. Kalajuche top. It's Samoy. To Albena. Tijada. Ocampo. It's same ball. 29. Against the 28, it's 1-point lead on NU. Ocampo. Mendoza. 14 to shoot. Ocampo, Lebalon. Cross-post pass to Albena. Short. Rebound on Mendoza. It's NU ball, NU. 8 minutes and 12 seconds. 29 against 28. 1-point lead on NU. Now Kalajuche. Galang time. Now defensive by 3. Galang. Oh, escape. Coming from Galang. It's 31. Again, too strong. Top. It's Galang time. Galang time. 2-2. Going to Mendoza. Oh, the other Galang time. Fake. It's foul. Time out on UST. Foul on number 9 on Ocampo. First on Ocampo. First team foul against UST. Timeout rep, timeout. And this timeout is brought to you by Basketballista, The Inkers, Stewie, and Arrows Fundamentals. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's UST against NU. Kalajuche, guarded by Mendoza. Galang time, 10 to shoot. Peralta, too strong. Rebound on Tijada. Now Tijada, guarded by Samoy. It's Tijada, 1-1. Nice defense on Samoy. It's Mendoza. Guarded by Mendoza, downside. Short. Rebound on Galang. It's Galang time. Galang. Nice move. Galang. Nice pass outside. Again, it's Galang. Galang, fake. 10 to shoot. Kalajuche. 5 to shoot. Kalajuche. Yes, at Kalajuche. It's 33 to 28. 5-point lead on NU. Now Ocampo. Drive. Looking for nice move. 30 to 33. Nice shot from Guyal. Now Darren. Galang move. It's 10 seconds away. Ocampo. It's Ocampo. 1-and-1 by Samoy. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Still again. Ocampo drive. Nice bounce to Guyal. Open jumper by Guyal. Short. It's 33 to 33 point lead on NU. 14 to shoot. Same ball, same ball.
Harap sa papasaan.
Now inbounding. It's Peralta, guarded by Mendoza. Peralta looking for Samoy. 10 to shoot. 3-second timeout. On and you. This timeout is brought to you by TUI. Basketballista. Armos Fundamentals. Delta. And Rockbank. Abu Dhabi. It's 5 minutes and 41 seconds. 33 against 30, all by NU. Now Ocampo.
Wala si Sandra. Netting. Anderson.
Looking for Albena. Wow! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Albena. It's 4-3-point shot by Albena. 33 all. Hunters, guarded by Ocampo. Still by Hunters. Albena now, Albena. Wow! Short. It's Galang time. Galang time. Looking for Calatuche. Calatuche. Bang, bang, bang! Nice. 36 to 33. Back to 3-point lead on LU. 35 to 35. It's 2-point lead on LU. Albena. Too strong. Rebound on Tejada. It's Hunters. Calatuche looking for the... Nice distance by Mendoza. Guyal. Stop up, Mendoza. Pow! It's foul on Peralta. First on Peralta, first team foul, and then the U. Four minutes and 30 seconds. Sapa short mo? Foul. It's foul on Galang time. First on Galang time. Second team foul on NU. Ocampo for 3. Rebound on Tejada. It's 14 to set clock by Samoy. Nice defense by Samoy. Tejada again. Pow! Foul on Samoy. It's first on Samoy. Third on NU. 4 minutes and 13 seconds. Now 34 against 235. Only 1-point lead. Now NU. Rebound on Peralta. It's Calatuche. Zigzag Calatuche. Escape. Too strong. Top. Tejada. It's Tejada. Guarded by Galang time. Now, let me try again. Albena in and out top. Rebound on Calatuche. It's Calatuche looking for Galang time. It's Galang time. 37 to 34. It's 3-point lead on you. It's Guyal looking for Ocampo. Ocampo too strong. It's a new ball. NU. 3 minutes and 30. Now, Calatuche. It's signature shot, too strong, Samoy there. Now Ocampo is scoring the garbage. Ocampo now, looking for Guyal. Is it take? Pass to Ocampo. Ocampo safe, Ocampo let me try, too strong, rebound on Samoy. Still on Albena. Back to Mendoza. Ocampo. It's rumbling violation on Ocampo. 3 minutes. 37 against 234, all by LU. Now Galang time. Galang time move. Nice pick. Hunters foul. Size yun. Time out on EST. And this time out again is brought to you by TUI, The Inkers Abu Dhabi, Basketballista, and Color Sports Abu Dhabi. And we'd like to thank our two referees for tonight, Referee Jong and Referee Johnny. Bravo!
Ano?
Wala natin.
Wala na?
Wala natin.
2 minutes and 47 seconds. It's starting time. Galang looking for Kalatuche. Carry 2. Samoy, it's 10 to shoot. Samoy, move. Samoy, scoop. In and out, top. It's Tihada. Looking for Ocampo. Now Tihada, left him at the point guard. Tihada, guard better to change. Tihada move, Tihada. Looking for Guyal escape, Guyal, foul. Foul on Peralta, it's warning for penalty on NU. Second personal foul on number 8 on Peralta. Nice poor shot by Guyal, 37-35. 2-point lead now, NU.
Pass out!
Rebound on Galang time. It's Galang time, guarded by Guyal. Now Kalatuche, guarded by Ocampo. Back to Galang time, 10 to shoot. Galang time, Lugay, still by Guyal. Now Ocampo looking for Albena. Ocampo drive to Mendoza. Pirata. Mendoza again. Pirata. Mendoza looking for Ocampo. Pass to Albena. Albena fake. Albena too strong. Rebound on Pirata. Hunters. Now Kalatuche. 1-on-1 by Albena. Move. Kalatuche. Hunters. Fake. Drive. It's struggling violation on Hunters. 1 minute and 30 seconds, 35 against 37, only 2-point lead against NU. Now intercepted by Galantine. It's 2-on-1. Galantine move, Galantine. Left-handed bang! Galantine. Foul on Tihada. Second team foul on UST. Third against Tihada. 39 against 35. 1-point lead on NU. Now 40 against 35. 5-point lead NU. 1 minute. Now Ocampo. In and out by Albena. Still by Guyal to Mendoza. Oh, Hunters! Now it's Galang time, Galang move. It's Galang, 48 seconds. Carried by Ocampo, 40 to shoot. Foul! It's 13 foul on UST. Foul on Ocampo. 39 seconds.
Second ano?
Kalatuche, fake. Signature shot, short. Rebound on Tihada. Mendoza. It's out of bounds by UST. 28 seconds. Kalatuche. Nice pass outside. Guyal intercepted. Now 20 seconds. Guyal now. Brad Guyal. Let me try. Rebound on Guyal again. Guyal. It's 13 seconds. 13. Ocampo. Short. Now Samoy. 5 seconds. Short.
Yalla!
In the second quarter, our score 40 against 35. All by NU. Halftime break.
Talaga naman kahapon, talaga naman kita, dadalawa lang naman kasi.
Tingnan mo si Richard, kapatay nila.
Bawas tayo.
Si Mio.
Ako din babawas ka nila sa akin. Boss! Boss!
George, magtamawa.
Hindi ka makakasama.
Ayun, meron ng palitan eh. Maraming tao dun sa hapon. Bawal ang magingay.
450 kinakalo.
Ilang?
Si Kalatucho na nagbigay daw eh. Wala. Sa susunod daw sabi niya.
Next game ha, mabalag natin ha.
Ako rin naman eh.
Third quarter, third. It's USD ball, USD.
Yan, pasok yan.
Inbounding Al. To Bulanan. Looking for Al. Back to Bulanan. Lights. Favorite shot. Short my lights. It's Galang time. To Salas. Dito let the look. Oh! Salas. 42 to 35. Now Tihada. Bulanan. Again, in and out, Alder, yes or no? Now 37-42. Only 5 points lead on you. Now Salas. Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Salas. It's 45-37. Now Bulanan, 1-1 by Darren. It's Tiada. Lights, back to Tihada. What a play coming from Tihada from Lights. It's 39-45.
39, 45.
6-point lead, and you. Galang time. Bang, bang, bang. Galang. 48. Against you 39. 9-point lead, and you. Tihada. Stop up. Tihada boarded po Suso. Di ba by Anas? Looking for Kalatuche. It's Kalatuche. 1-1. Let's take the shot. Kalatuche short. Kalatuche again. Kalatuche short again. Rebound top. Salas. Looking for Galang time. Oh! In and out by Galang. It's Bulanan. Now Bulanan. 1-1. Bulanan escape. Bulanan move. Pickle pass. No! Turnover on USD. It's 7 minutes and 57 seconds. 48 against 39. Kalatuche. Ah! Bang, bang, bang on Kalatuche. 51-39. Now it's all by Edu. Now Al. Looking for Guyal. Oh! Basket count and one on Guyal. All on Nanas. It's first on Nanas. First team foul. And you. 51. Against to 41. 10-point lead. And you. Now 42-51. 9-point lead on and you. Salas. Now Darren Galang time looking for Salas. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Salas. Now it's the third 3-point shot by Salas. Now Lights, let me try. Too strong by Lights. Rebound. Lights again. Lights opened up too strong. Rebound on Tiada. Short. Again in and out by Al. Foul. Foul on number 4 on Galang. It's second team foul on you.
Second personal.
Second personal foul on Galang time. Six minutes and 46 seconds. Samoy rebound. It's Galang time. Galang time again. Galang time. It's Galang. Whoa! Galang. 55 to 42. Steal. Now Tihada. Lights. Too strong by Lights. Samoy. Now Kalatuche. Kalatuche looking for Salas. Salas is foul. Foul on Bulanan. Pwede tayo mag-sub, sir. Sub. Sige na, pwede mag-sub. Second personal foul on Bulanan. First on UST.
Yes, sige na, pasok na. Walang sub.
Tihada. Now Bulanan. Bulanan, 1-1. Nice pass to Tihada coming from Bulanan. 44. Against the 55. Back to 11-point lead on you. Galang time. Anas. Block by Guyal. Now Tihada. Turnover again on NU. Something to send up, Sabrat. Salas. Short. Sabrat, sub. Tihada out, Tihada.
Sir, pag na-short time out.
Albenato Al. Short. Yes on Guyal. 46. Against the 55. Now 9-point lead on you. 4 minutes. Time to shoot. Nice steal by Guyal. Guyal, let me fly. Guyal, time out. On you. It's now 48 to 55. 5-point lead on you. Timeout is brought to you by Color Sports 2B. Basketballista. And the Inkers Abu Dhabi. Galatay. Salas. 14 to shoot. Anas. Back to Salas. Galatay. 10 to shoot. Nice pass outside to Pirata. Black. It's foul. Foul on number 5 on Mendoza. Second team foul on UST. First against Mendoza.
No.
Yan, dalawa.
Ilang point ko
Ano tubig yung dalawa.
Hindi ko nga nakita.
Sira na yung dalawang tubig dyan.
Now 56 to 48. It's 8-point lead on NU. Nice move by Ocampo. Short. Galang. Whoa! Galang to 58. Against to 48. 10-point lead now NU. Ocampo. Too strong. Salas. It's a new ball NU. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Foul! Foul on number 8 on Peralta. Substitution left. 13 foul and you.
Ayun na Peralta.
Second on Peralta. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Ocampo. Looking for Grial. Back to Ocampo. Nice pass. It's still by Galang. It's Galang time. Galang move. Galang time. Galang time. Bang! 60 to 48. 12-point lead and you. Al. Oh! Left-handed run coming from Al. 50 against 60. 2 minutes. 10-point lead and you. It's Galang time. Short, top. Rebound on Mendoza. Ah, nice defense. Substitution, tie up, substitution. 1 minute and 48 seconds. Sub wraps up.
Hoy! Yung pasa papunta sa ring. Advance mo sa ring. Hindi siya kaya kampe. Papunta sa ring.
Now Ocampo. Lights. 10 to shoot. Guyal. Rebound on Galang. Galang time. Galang move. Nice pass to Peralta. Peralta. Peralta again. 1-1. Peralta move. Oh, yes, on Peralta. 62 to 50. 1 minute and 27 seconds. Albena. Guyal. Drive. Wow, what a move coming from Guyal. Now 62 to 52. 10-point lead back to NU. Now Galang time. 14 to shoot. Move, drive, looking for Sumalde. Sumalde, tap. Rebound on Ocampo. It's Ocampo to Albena. Albena one, Albena! Yes, on Albena. 54 to 62. 45 seconds. 8-point lead. NU. Sumalde. Kaya ba yung Ocampo? Nice. Still again, Albena. It's 1-1. Still again on Galantine. It's Galantine. 30 seconds. Galantine move. Move. Galantine is foul. Foul on Lights. 13 foul on UST. First on Lights. 23 seconds.
Nice one, nice one, nice one.
63 against the 54.
Kalas. Dalawa here, dalawa.
Now 64-54. Back to 10-point lead on NU.
Lagi mo.
10 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Lights. Salas, 5 seconds.
Tira, tira.
And for third quarter score. 64 to 57, only 7-point lead, NU. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. Next game. University of Iloilo against Bushido.
Ano Bushido?
Ang gawin sila lang. Tanong. Team winning.
Hindi,
Ay, dito. Kumain pa natin.
Now, Kalatuche. Galang, 14 to shoot. Kalatuche, fake, 10 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Kalatuche. Nice long two coming from Kalatuche.
amo ko na may game.
Steal by Hunters. Salas, bang, bang, bang! On Salas. Now 68 to 57, back to 11-point lead on NU. Ocampo, short jumper, rebound on Al, fake, foul. Foul on Samoy. Second personal foul on Samoy. Second team foul on NU.
Second personal.
Now 69, 57, 69 against 57. It's 3-point shot coming from Kalatuche.
Bang, bang.
58 against the 69. Now Galang time. 1-1 by Ocampo. 10 to shoot. Five. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Kalatuche, it's 72 against the 58. 14 to shoot. Ocampo, too strong. Rebound by Al. Short. Samoy. It's 3-1. Salas, let me try. Short up. It's Galang time. Galang time. Nice team by Ocampo. Now, Tihada to Al. Al move. Al, zigzag move. Yo-yo move pa. Rebound on Tihada. Tihada. Yes, on Tihada. Shot into the left side.
Ano ba sa Popo? Popo nakatama.
Yung number 7?
Popo nga niya, Popo.
Okay. Kalatuche. Hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Awal doon ko nakikilagtad ako.
Pahinga ka muna, sir. Pahinga ka muna.
Okay, naman tayo, Al. Now, Kalatuche. Galang time. Nice move, Galang time. It's Galang going by 3. Steal again by Guyal. Guyal to Tihada. Baseball pass. Now there is Salas. It's 3-on-3. Galang time going by Guyal. Galang time is today thinking. Galang time. Looking for his teammates. Looking for Samoy. Samoy back to Salas. Short. Rebound by Guyal. Guyal Pena. To Guyal. Short top. Samoy. To Kalatuche. One and one. Kalatuche. 14 to shoot. 10. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Galang time. 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Bang, bang, bang! On Albana. 63 to 75. 12-point lead. NU.
Don't.
5 minutes and 10.
Yan na ba siya daw?
14 to shoot. Oh! Signature shot coming from Kalatuche. 75 to 63. Steal on Samoy. Now Gala time. 14 to shoot. 10. Galang time. Long three. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Galang! Nice pass to Goyal! On Goyal, 65 to 80. 15-point lead, NU! Now Galang time. Move, Galang, guard by Ocampo. Pass to Kalatuche, signature shot. Bang! It's winning time and Manila 83 against the 65. 4 minutes and 10. Foul! Substitution time's up. Foul on Salas,
Doon lang yung
13.
kay Kalachuchi, boss. Ba't 80?
First, second team foul on NU. Second on Salas. 4 minutes. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Albena, same spot. Too strong. Tihana. Now 67-82. 3 minutes and 50. Now Galang time. Guarded by Albena. 10 to shoot. Short. Albena. To Bulanan. Ocampo. Nice make. It's foul. Foul on Kalatuche. Time out. On NU. It's 82 against 67. 13 foul NU. First on Kalatuche.
I did.
Timeout is brought to you by Color Sports. TUI. The Inkers, Abu Dhabi, and Basketballista.
Kung ilang galang pa, ilang galang sa kanya.
Galang. 5.
Walang gusto nito.
3, 6, 9.
Si Isming, patungguan. Bilang nito.
Now 68 to 82. Three minutes, 14 to shoot. In and out, top. Whoa! Salas. Ocampo. Looking for Bulanan. Yes, on Tiana, 70 to 84. It's 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Sumalde, too strong. Peralta, now Ocampo. It's foul. Foul on number 13 on Salas. Warning for penalty on you. Third on Salas. Now Bulanan.
Albina.
Too strong. Rebound on Anas. Salas. Miscommunication. Now Guyal, let me try. Open jump, Guyal. 72-84. 2 minutes. 2 minutes is brought to you by Jollibee, McDonald's, KFC, and Chinese Burger. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 14 to shoot. Foul. Hard foul coming from Ocampo. Second team foul on UST. Burst against Ocampo. 1 minute and 43 seconds. $85 to 72.
Ayan, Val. Galang. Set, that set, set. Ayan mo, 5 assist. Every time.
Albena.
3 rebound.
1 minute and 32. Salas anticipated. Now Guyal, 1 and 1, looking for Ocampo, 74 to 85. It's 11-point lead on LU. 1 minute and 15. Foul. Foul on Guyal. It's 13 foul on UST first against Guyal. Salas. Peralta, short. Ichucampo. Now Albena, guarded by Ana, escape. Albena drive, goal na kawat sa Anas foul. It's foul on Anas. Penalty tayo, penalty.
Anas third.
Third personal foul against Anas.
Alvina 1. 75.
Now 76-85, 9-point lead. NU. 50 seconds. Still again by UST. It's 2-1. Guyal all the way. It's 40 seconds. 85-78. 32 seconds, 32. 85-78, 7-point lead NU. Peralta. 25 seconds, 25. It's still by Peralta.
Ubos! Kalma!
Pinitante, short. Guyal, 1 and 1. Guyal drive, foul. It's foul on Anas. It's sport on Anas. Now NU over. Penalty. $14 seconds, 14.
Sorry.
Galantine, 9 seconds. Anas, short. And over game, our winner, it's NU 85 against the 17.